Hurricane season is here, and one way you can get ready is by putting together a preparedness kit to use during an evacuation. In your kit, you should include a variety of items to last you and your family for at least 14 days. First, make sure to include bottled water, enough for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. You'll also need non-perishable food, flashlights, extra batteries, chargers, any necessary medicine or prescription drugs, garbage bags, a first aid kit, important family documents and photos, and a printed list of important phone numbers and contact info. If you're traveling with a pet, make sure to bring enough food and water for them as well. Remember to pack your preparedness kit as though you won't be returning home for at least 2 weeks. For additional tips on how to prepare for hurricanes, download the Hurricane Emergency Checklist at goemdot.com/hurricanes.